Good afternoon, everybody. We are talking about how to spot a linear function on a graph. So this is relatively simple as far as the instructions. So if you are looking at your graph, so let's say we're looking at this one right here, and if your line on that graph is a straight line, then that means it is linear. Okay, straight lines are linear. If you had one that was, say, a U, like an exponential, or if it was wavy, those are nonlinear. The only ones that are linear will be your straight lines on the graph. All right, so what if we have tables? How can we tell if a function is linear based on a table? Well, what you're looking for is the difference between all of these to be moving at a constant rate. So -2 to 2 would be 4, and 2 to 4 would be 2. From 0 to 2, that would be adding 2, and from 2 to 3, that would be adding 1. So these numbers are not constant. Constant would be that each one was moving 2, and each one here would be moving 4. So that would be the constant. So this one would not be a function. Let's take a look at this one. -2 to 0 is +2. 0 to 2 is also +2. -4 to 0 is +4. 0 to 4, again, is +4. So we know that this one is a linear linear function because they are moving at that constant rate. Okay, let's take a look at this one. 2, 2, so they're moving 0. And -3 to 5, that would be +8. And 5 to 9, that would be +4. Okay, so we know that those are not constant, so that would not be a linear function shown on a table. Okay, let's look at this last one here. -2 to 1, that would be +3. And 1 to 2 would be +1. -2 to 1, that would be +3. And 1 to 2 would be +1. Those are not constant. You have to look at the constants for your x and for your y. So, we know that the x's, if it's to be a function, the x's can't repeat, first of all. And for it to be linear, they have to change at a constant rate.